Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so. You all will be fine. Let's have a quick update on the Bitcoin as well as some of the other commodities as well, stocks as well. First of all, what we guys gonna do is we gonna revise our high time frame plan. That's very simple, as like you guys already know about that, but still I'm gonna repeat that. Just have a look at what's actually happening on the weekly time frame. For example, we guys already knew a very clear pattern how we guys actually go long. For example, just let me draw the downtrend and something like this. Now just have a look at this. This is how actually a trend is broken. Normally what happens over here, let me draw it very clearly. Normally what happens, look at this: lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This lower high is broken out over here, then the price came back down, gave one more push to the upside, where everyone thought that the lower high is placed in over here. But what actually happens whenever that lower high is taken out by a wick or by some candles, I expect that level to hold again and move to the upside, creating new trend of the higher highs, as normal it's happening in the markets as well. So following this trend, we still have a very major trend to be getting taken out over here. For example, like look at this. We have taken out these previous lower highs. Right now what's actually happening over here, people thinking that the price should actually hold this FVG and push one more time up. Even if this happens, I don't think so 25k level is going to be your bottom for next move up. The reason is very simple. Even a kid knows that we have to buy here. So crypto is not for kids. So just have a look what's actually happening over here. MSB over here, right now the price went up, made something like higher low over here, higher high over here. Now people thinking that price gonna bounce back again once more over here. For the bull run, for actually buying the coins, the Bitcoin, buying some other altcoins for the long term, I don't think so we are going to bid over here at all. Either even if we see one more push to the upside, I'm not gonna bid over here and say here that we are going for all-time highs. No way. The actual plan is pretty simple. I want to see this whole wick taken out, right? Why? A lot of people have, not a lot of people, but 80-90% of people have stop loss below this one, because they're thinking that this is your higher low, higher high, one more higher low, and the price will go boom. No way. What actually I'm thinking, to be very honest, I think so this is going to be taken out at some point, even after this one, like this one, or something like this one. That's highly possible. Like some chop, fake pump to upside, this, something like this. So this is a pretty possible plan. Also, when we guys will be at $18,000, $17,000 level, every single soul will be saying new lows, and that will be a very good point to go back up. So this is the plan. Why you guys are actually getting worried at single 1 hour candle of uptrend, a single 4 hour candle of uptrend? No, you guys should not actually trade like this. We should try to be patient as much as we can, and then we should trigger our plans. For example, now we're gonna come on the lower time frame. Look at this on the daily. We still haven't broken the trend, and we might even do something like this. Why? Because yeah, the trend line will be broken over here, but that might be deviation, because look at the trend. Look at the trend. This high remains over here, might wick up with the high, like have a wick above this one. That will not be counted as MSB until we close above that level. For example, 27.5k. So that might even come back after that. So I'm not in any kind of rush to get into long over this. Yeah, either in case Bitcoin, we have already seen this daily MSB over here, we have a slider close over here, and you guys remember we shorted this pump when a lot of people said that this is daily bullish engulfing and we're gonna go up. We shorted this. because we have daily MSP. Now, in case the price goes back up over here, honestly, this will be for shorting. Highly possible that this is going to be for shorting. We have daily MSP. We're gonna have some retest of prior resistance level, something around might be 28.7k. A big resistance. You guys can say that a sweep of the previous lower high where a lot of people have placed their stop losses. Sweep up there, and we're gonna come back again. So I don't think so this is a wise time to buy the spots for the mid to long term. You guys already remember we exactly bought over here, we sold over here, we also bought not exactly this one, but we bought after reclaim of this one. You guys already knew, and I don't think so this is the right time to say that oh shit, this is bullish, why we shorting or something like this, why we not buying spots on this pump. Bro, we just have to look at how much percent we can make on the pump. 20%, right? For example, 20%. But what does it can take back? It's 26%, not actually 26%. If you draw from bottom side to top side, there's something like 36%. Even 26% to the downside is like making 36% back. So I don't think so you guys should be worried about missing this small move or why we are patient. We are just patient for a limited period of time. We already knew that this is a prior monthly level support, so yeah, there can be a small bounce. So not to get into FOMO, we still have a lot of time to accumulate. We have a complete 3 quarters. So in 3 quarters we just have to look at, if you guys think that everyone might be get front run over here, then what should be the plan? Then the plan should be to buy over here, buy mid 21.5k levels. For example, might be people say that this is not going to be front run, so you guys should buy these levels, but you guys should never kind of buy at these levels on the higher time frame. Look at this, what's happening over here. You guys can clearly see that since the previous uptrend, look at this blue line, this is your sports line, clearly coming down, and spots are still not buying. Just look at this, look at the pump we have seen from 24.9k till now. Where are spot buying? Is this a legal spot buying? No way. Look at the spot selling. Huge selling on dumps, no buying on pumps. So the price action is pretty bearish. This is not only of a single exchange. Look at Coinbase spots just dying out there, Binance spots, Bitfinex spot, Bybit. All of these spots are not buying at all. And whenever the spots are not buying, definitely the price is not as strong as it is on the chart. So this is how you guys can actually look at charts. I also still think that on the lower time frame, there still might be one more push up. Like there still be one more push up. Same way on Ethereum, just to take out the liquidity from the previous higher lows. Something like this is still possible, but I'm not gonna buy like a swing trader. No way. I'm very bearish, to be very honest, and I'm not bearish over here at 26k, but I was also bearish at 2000 on Ethereum. I was also bearish on Bitcoin at 29,000, 30,000, 31,000. So I just want you guys to stay a little bit focused on mid to long term buyings, because the most of the money you guys can make is from mid-term, long-term buys. I'm definitely gonna give a lot of signals in the Discord group when there's exact time, but right now when there is not enough data to get long, I don't think so you guys should buy spots over here and sell over here. I want you guys to buy spots over here and sell over here around 38-40s on the biggest FEG, like to be taken out next. So I want something like this. We're gonna buy spots here and we're gonna sell here. Not like buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. No way. Yeah, definitely we're gonna take some longs over here, close over here, short over there, close over here. So for the spots and for the main swings, I still have mainly focus on all of the higher time frame charts. So a request to you guys, especially to the Discord members, stay patient. When the time will come, we're definitely gonna smash this one. So also we're gonna look at some other stocks and just have a look at what's happening on SPX. Just have a look at SPX. If SPX is, if your stocks are pumping like this is your weekly time frame and your Bitcoin is doing something like this is not bullish. This is not bullish. When the stocks will even take a higher low, the crypto market is gonna die. So this is what there are a lot of signs. Look at DXY, dollar almost kind of bottoming out, and on the higher time frame I honestly still see just let me draw on the low time frame. One more smaller push to downside, something like this, and something like this. So this is what I tell you guys, that why we not shorting again over here, because there's a possibility of DXY to go a bit more down and then come back stronger, pretty stronger. Probably here we might take a short on Bitcoin. So for now, just waiting a bit. A lot of other stocks and commodities things says a lot on the charts, but I guess being patient over here is pretty better, because we are not going to lose our capital before the real bull run. So this was all the plan. Bitcoin on the higher time frame, lower time frame, take and draw your charts, have your numbers relative to this one, and see how this works. Thank you guys, and at the end I will again say, start preparing yourself for the long term, for the mid term, because inshallah we're gonna smash this market in the coming next years, coming few months, coming almost like coming 2-3 years, and you guys can make thousands from hundreds and millions from thousands. So you guys should be prepared for the mid to long term trades, and should be prepared of a mindset where you guys should not take profits on 10, 20, 30% move, but look for 2x, 5x, 10x. Thank you everyone.